Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel, checking out this video. Just a quick update on the progress on the cabin build. Done a little bit of landscaping out front. Sometimes you have to break free from doing construction and do something a little different. And so the deck, we did the stairs, and what I was finding that the weather was getting to the stain, and it was stained like not too long ago. So I've extended a covered area over top of the stairs, which I think is great. So the rain and the snow will stay off of that. And it's basically just a duplication of what's up and behind it. The posts are 6x6s, and the beams are 6x10s. And the rafters are just under 3, so 2 3/4 by 8. And really happy with the way it turned out. And so what I did is I tied it into the existing posts that were obviously here. So just notched out an inch so it will slide in, and then timber screwed it from behind. And obviously same on the back, and then the rafter just tied in right over top, and this top 6x10 beam as well. I notched it into the actual the king pole. I can't remember what it's called, but the center pole that holds up the other beam. So that just worked out perfectly, and yeah, super stoked. I got the 1x10 top on it, and all I need to do now is put some paper on the top tomorrow, and then order some black tin, and yeah, we'll be out of the rain, and hopefully these steps I won't be rebuilding them as soon as I would if I didn't have the covered area. So anyways guys, thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.